there is a reason as to why I always say take Forex as a tool for you to start learning your money. So get to understand the terms, get to pick your very own name, right? Take those alphabets, go into Forex. I will start making videos about them, get into understanding money, because we're starting from the very beginning here. We're going to take Forex step by step to understand for us to get involved in this world of money that seems so far-fetched for most of us. It's so like it's a bear that we don't want to touch. It's something that we don't want to know. We turn a blind eye on it. We will play it like two teams playing each other. Like, so if I say Euro USD, you can take African Star, Black Africa if you're in Namibia, or you can take Manchester United against Man City, or Chelsea against Arsenal. Take those two teams and pair them against each other. Which one is doing what, which one is winning in terms of goals. So that's how Forex, like you will look at Forex in terms of when it's going up, either that's the bear, that's what we call the bear market, which is let's say for example African Stars is winning and they've got a score like 1 or 2 or 3 and they are leading. So that's what we call a bear market. A bull market, I say a bear market. Black Africa doesn't score, or the score line is below than African Stars, or Manchester United is winning and Man City is losing. So that's a bear market. So I want you to start like use your everyday stuff to like get your inner channel about your money. Okay, so use those football teams or any sport or anything that you love to make yourself understand. Really, when we talk in Forex, it's just pairing two pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD, and then take that in terms of, okay, so how can I make this easy for me to understand? Take the Euro USD and use African Star and Black Africa. Okay, so it's two teams, right? So if African Star is going up, so that means it's money going up. Okay, that means probably the euro, it's much more stronger than the dollar. So if like the losing team it's not getting anywhere, probably got more momentum, so that's the other team that's losing. So I want you to look at these things that way and make yourself understand.